Hello, my name is Beau Cowan, based out of Phoenix, Arizona, and this is a declaration of intent for making more videos. I'm looking to start sharing my knowledge on YouTube and maybe a few other places, and I also want to learn a few more things, and it's always been said that the best way to learn is to teach. I've been a web developer since 2007. I have many skills, but I'm a master of nothing. I do lots of stuff in Next.js, Google Tag Manager, a little bit of Google Search Console, some animation stuff. I've worked in Figma, done some PHP, WordPress, did a kind of a little bit of everything. Um, but for the most part, I've broken a lot of things and have had to work on fixing them. And one of the things that I've come to find is that a lot of the questions that I had as I've gone through my career were never answered. And I would like to change that. So, what I hope to do is to explain things that some people may kind of gloss over or may not understand given the certain documentation or the way how things were explained to them either in school or through other forums or anything, and just kind of have a little bit of fun with it. So, the way how I plan on presenting my knowledge is by doing what should be done in the first place, and that's answering simple questions: who, what, when, where, why, and how. I find that I'm pretty good at doing metaphors. Uh, I love injecting humor and kind of doing a whole Bill Nye type thing with some of the stuff that I've been doing, especially in the trainings that I'm doing for my current job. That kind of helps spark this idea as well. And since I do have a son, I get to inject a little bit of dad jokes in there as well, or at least that's the plan. I've already given a few examples as to why I'm doing this, to share my knowledge and to answer some of the questions that I kind of had going uh, through my career. On top of that, though, I also want to bridge the gap a little bit when it comes to developers communicating with other departments, whether it's marketers or even sometimes their own project managers. And I plan on this content not being developer specific. I'm hoping that other people, even just the general public, get a better idea as to some of these web concepts and may be able to take away something from it. Um, all around, I'm just looking to kind of have a good time with this, learn a few things, and hopefully share things that are presented in a way that's easily ingestible. In the end, this is something that I probably should have started a couple of years ago. With all the trainings that I've been doing at work, it's helped encourage me to pursue the format that I've gone with over there, and I'm just going to bring it on over here. So, I ask you to come join me. I may not do videos that often, but I promise that the ones I do complete, they're going to be of the highest quality that I can give you. So, come follow along, like and subscribe, and we'll find out what Beau knows about the web. We'll see you soon.